Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. How are you everybody out there? And welcome back to our channel, Zuanhardie Family Channel. Me, Papa Bob.
Bang Wafi.
And this one, Anna. Today we're gonna try a new burger from McDonald's. This burger is a Korean burger. A spicy Korean burger. You know, everybody in the world of heaven on this. Everybody lah. Today we're gonna try. Okay, for me, I got a burger called a debak. Is it right, Korean people? Debak. Okay, and for Hana,
I got the ayam burger.
ayam sayo. And Abang,
I got this Sarahani.
Sarahe burger from McDonald's. Okay, guys, before we eat, you guys need to do one thing. Explain what one thing is.
You need to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification, guys.
Right. Is it true, Abang?
Yeah.
Okay, today, no further ado, we're gonna eat burger from McDonald's. It's called Spicy Korean. Let's go. This is how it look, the burger. This two burger is special, custom made. No veggie.
No veggie.
Okay, this one is mixed. See, got veggie. I eat veggie. These two don't eat veggie. Alright.
Before we eat,
We will need to pray. Or in Malaysia, baca doa. Abang, baca doa.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma barik lana fi ma razaqtana wa qina adzabannar.
Alright, let's try the burger. Fahana, Abang, we mukbang. Mukbang.
Mana chicken? Let's go.
Debak burger. Debak burger is a combination beef and chicken. Then your one is chicken only is called ayam sayo. And Abang is
Sarahani.
Sarahe is beef burger. The chicken?
The chicken are soft and it's kinda spicy. So kids cannot eat this.
Yeah, Abang, how the sarike? Sarahe. Sorry, sarike is in Sarawak. Sarahe. Okay, Abang, how is it feel?
Good.
How is the meat?
Spicy.
Alright.
But not enough.
Not enough? Not enough spicy lah. The level of spicy is not so high lah. Alright. For me, the burger and the chicken combination is very nice. So the spicy is very spicy, quite spicy. So you guys eat. Oh, spicy, but guys, it's spicy.
The sauce so delicious.
So this okay. Anna will explain. This is what you call
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo. It's a word called
Hi.
hi. Hi in Korea say Annyeonghaseyo. And abang is
사랑해.
Sarahe. What is Sarahe?
I love you.
Sarahe. What?
I love this.
And my one is gedeba. No.
Deba.
Deba. Sorry, gedeba is a gemuk. It's fat in Malay. So Korea is called deba. Deba is great. So let's see. Eat again.
Delicious.
Delicious. The chicken is big. So nice. Last. Good, McDonald's. You done a good job. Great job, McDonald's,
Oh no, my bag.
for bringing the taste of Korean to our house.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, McDonald's Malaysia, for give this opportunity to us to feel how is Korean burger look like, how Korean burger is taste. So delicious. And guys, before we finish this burger, don't forget to share and comment and subscribe our video so we can give you more and more video in the future.
True.
Okay? So abang, can you tell us about your burger? How is it?
It's delicious, but it's not spicy enough for me.
So not so Korean for you lah. Okay. Yeah, it's spicy but not so spicy like okay. You guys eat or not chicken? The chicken spicy? That is spicy. That is really spicy. But this is spicy but still in a controlled environment lah. So it's that's why the spicy is not so spicy enough for us, but it's spicy. Okay, but not suitable for the kids.
Yeah.
Kids,
Do not eat this.
do not eat this. Don't do this at home. And this burger, the black bun, quite nice, huh?
It's soft.
Soft. Finish it. Okay, guys. Before we finish this burger, we wanna say thanks.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching this video, and thanks to McDonald's for the burger. Actually, McDonald's not sponsor us. We bought it. We buy the burger. Okay. The price is around 15 ringgit, 12 ringgit, right? And you got water, you got Coke. Alright. Anyway, thank you, and see you next time. Bye.
Bye.